Welcome to the Top Update 2-box break. We are going to start off right away with randomizing the teams. We got a dice roller. I'll roll it once. And we got 6. We're going to randomize the team 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're also going to randomize the names. Lucas, I can hear you. Oh. Okay, we're going to randomize the names 2 times. What the frick? Just reload the page. There you go. One, 2. Apparently they didn't want to randomize Jeff's name because he has 3 in a row. Right where he basically was. Okay, here are the names. Oh, Jeff, you got the Cardinals there at the bottom. Okay, get this. Oh, get this out of the way. G. Stand. 2 boxes. Save the silver pack for the end. Yep. Laptop. Show the teams again. Hang on. There are all the teams. Let me know if you still didn't see. Just let me know your name. I'll look at it. Got MJ Melendez rookie. CJ Abrams. MJ Melendez. Freaking stand. Hunter Green, Bobby Witt, Johan Duran, Scherzer, Gotti, do a couple at a time here. Wander debut. Luke Williams. Acuna. Got a Bobby Witt debut. Shit, they're off screen. Got Julio. Kyle. Javi Baez. You got Michael Fulmore. Seiya Suzuki. Got a Royce Lewis. And a Royce Lewis Topps Black Gold. And a Ryan. Okay. Let's see here. Come on. Why is it upside down? Got a black number to 71, Joe Smith for the Twins. It's not bad, but not really ideal. Josh Lowe rookie. Pena debut. Kenzie Gore. Die cut. Ron. Pena true. Anderson. Still haven't found our hit yet. One numbered card out of here, 71. And we've had nothing else really. We got Julio. I guess we got all the rookies, but okay. Why do they all have to be upside down? Julio All-Star Game. We got Brendan Donovan. Nice if they could just be the right side up. Bryson Scott debut. He says opposite to the insert. Yeah. Upside down. Freddie Freeman. Jose Miranda. Got a Carlos Alex rookie. Diego Simeon. Oh, that's just a normal picture, kind of weird. Nick Plummer. Richie. Nick Allen. Nothing in there. Shane, Hunter Green, Kenzie Gore, Carlos Correa, Kevin Smith. Rainbow or silver foil. Archie Bradley. Torkelson debut. Alec Thomas rookie. Got a Heliot Ramos Generation Now. Brandon Marsh debut. Oh. Nope. Just upside down for no reason. 41 and 41, yeah. Right. Royce Lewis rookie, George Kirby. Got another upside down one. Joe Ryan rookie. Nestor Cortez gold for the Yankees. Steven Kwan on the back. We got another upside down one. Seiya Suzuki. Old Pirates. Jock Peterson, $4.99. It's that green speckle, I think. Felix Bautista. And Steven Kwan. Oh. Probably all the numbered cards for this box, I assume. Julio on the back. Jose Miranda debut. Rain Pinto. Got a Vladdy, black gold. And a Julio True on the back. I didn't feel a fat pack ever. Why is that just his regular picture? It doesn't make any sense. C.J. Abrams debut. Ian Kennedy. And then it flips right back over. Torkelson. George Kirby again. That's it for that. None of them have felt fat so far. So, looking decent for an auto or decent for a hitless box. Got Bo, JP Spears, Jarren Duran, Rylan. Oh, we got a rookie O'Neal Cruz. Haven't seen the base Cruz or the base Franco yet, but also haven't seen a hit. Miguel, Luke, and everything's upside down. Thomas debut. Heliot Ramos. Got a Jason Krasny gold rookie. Okay. For San Francisco. Then we got Detmers debut. Could be an autograph. I don't really know. We got Joe Perez, Josh Windler, Gary Sanchez, Ethan. Nope. Verlander. Yeah, no. That is Paragon's postseason. Okay. We got 2 packs left. They both feel normal, so either Box is empty. So either we got gypped or we have an auto. Or I guess they could have. I guess could be a relic in here. We just feel like it's the same size. Oh. Looks like a relic. Bryson Scott. Oh. MVP. Paul Goldschmidt. Game used memorabilia. That's it. Well, so he ended up getting a patch anyways. It really wasn't any thicker than a normal. And last pack. Luis Fox. Lucia. Burhan. Javi Baez. Silver pack. Jesus Christ, that's glued together. Johan Duran. It looks like they're all base. Andrew Vaughn. Craig Biggio. Lars Nootbaar rookie. Okay, I'm gonna clean up the base pile here. And we'll get on to the second box. Okay, first box was like a C. Didn't really get anything interesting. Got 2 Bobby Witts, 2 Julios, Torkelson debut, Hunter Green base, and then that one numbered twin, I think that was a rookie, or silver pack set up there. Hit something interesting here. Okay. Luis Fox, Vital Burhan, Jared Duran. Nick, Shane Baz rookie, Kenzie Gore debut, Mike Trout, Matt Brash, Bobby Witt, Kevin Smith. Shohei, career home runs. Hunter Green, another one of his base. Duran and Matt Manning, rookie. Generation Now, a Torkelson. Got a green. Let's see here. Oh, well, there it is. It's trying to hide it, but did the exact opposite of hiding it. Nick Plummer, Brian, okay, is a Taylor Hearn Texas Rangers. And then Edward Cabrera rookie, Alex DeGotti. Nothing else there. I swear this is like the 5th Chris Paddock. Oh, and Jose Miranda on the front. Multiple of him so far. Gabriel Arias. We got Richie, Nick Allen, and another Chris. Owen Miller. Ooh. Orange to 25? Royce Lewis debut. George Kirby. Alex Verdejo. He's a catcher for the Yankees. Jose, that means catcher, right? Yeah. Jose Treviano. Oh, it's number 299. It's not really that important. Wonder, there's some Topps product that orange is numbered to 25. Oops. Oh, I guess it maybe just an orange is numbered, not orange speckled. Bo. Jose Alcantar. Rylan Manny. And, yep. JP Spears, Nick Lodolo, Royce. Got a die cut of Roger. We got Julio. Something's upside down. I'm trying not to. Kyle, Avi, Reese, Diaz, short print. Oh, a Willie Mays short print. I don't know if that's a super short print, but that's the number. Ryan Suzuki debut and a Jake Walsh. Okay. I would assume that Mays is probably, depending on if it's a short print, super short print, probably like 10, 15, 20. So, probably the most expensive card we got. I guess I don't really know, but I would assume as much. Duke. Still, yeah, nothing in that pack. Probably not. I would doubt it's a super short print. Another rainbow foil, or that's what it's called. Elliott, Josh Windler, Gary Sanchez, and Jackson Krezan, and a Bobby Witt. Got Jose Miranda debut, CJ Abrams debut, Joe Ryan debut, Pinto, Diego. That's it for there. Chase, Torkelson, Nick Lodolo, And Julio. Joe Dineno. George Kirby. Stephen Kwan debut. And that's it from there. Oh. Freaking die cuts. Jason, we got an upside down card here. Oh, that's not go there. Got William Woods, rookie. Alex, non-rookie. 3,000 hits for Cabrera. Nick Goodrum. We got a Padre. Okay. Numbered to 2022. Sean Manaea, I believe. Yeah. Pitcher. Gold. Nothing crazy. This pack is thick. Feels thick at least. No, it doesn't have a thick card in it. Is that the, yeah. Melendez. Mike Trout. No, I just had an extra card in it. That's why I thought it was thick. It definitely feels thicker. Okay, Luke. Ryan Peepoit. CJ Abrams. True. Is that Pena? Pena, true. Good pack. Severiano. One Last Dance. That's it for that one. We're on our last stack here. Still without too much to note from this box. So that's the base rookies. We got Topps Gold rookie. Jose Perez for Astros. Bobby Witt, Topps Gold. Detmer's debut. That guy, Connor. And that. This will be the second to last pack again. Nothing in here. Bryson Scott. He was doing good at the beginning of the season. Flip it. Elliot Ramos debut. Cabrera debut. Wilson Contreras All-Star. Nothing yet. Connor Joe. Aces up. Adam Frazier, Tommy. Joey Wentz, rookie. Okay. Oh, Stephen Kwan, throwback. Cards are all upside down. Okay. Nothing in here. Could be an auto, I guess. Catch. Jack Sawinski. Martinez. Okay. Got an upside down card. Gold for the A's. Probably not good. Eric Thames. Yeah, okay. Don't think anyone's too excited about that one, but you know. Cooper. And Brendan Donovan. Okay, 2 packs. Last time it was in the second to last pack. So, you know, we'll see if this is the last pack. Oh, it just... I think it's going to be a manufactured relic, so not even an actual one. Jazz Chisholm manufactured relic. Not numbered, not anything. Belongs in the trash. He's a good player though, but no one wants that. You better give us something. Something somewhere for some reason. Cole Sands rookie, that's the first of his. Wow. That must mean this is just absolutely loaded, even though it has nothing to do with the correlation. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, well. Okay. Well, this might actually be absolutely loaded. We got a Julio. Base. Matt Olson. Elias Montero. Ooh, Padres. Could be Abrams. Not Abrams. Tatis. Okay. I don't know what that's numbered to. Got Fernando Tatis purple to 75. Okay. I mean, you know, that pack kind of did something for us. See, you'll get a maybe short little recap, I guess, of hits. This is the pack hit from, or the box hit from the second one, or like the relic hit, whatever you want to call it. These are the 3 top-loaded cards. We got Willie Mays, short print, Julio Rodriguez, probably the best card of the box, and then Tatis, numbered to 75. Got some of these. Joan Duran, rookie, Nootbaar, Sean out of 222, out of 299, out of 499, Goldsmith, patch, not bad. Creason, rookie, Jock Peterson to 499, Nestor Cortez, and then a Joe Smith to 71. Yeah, and then Chisholm. And got 2 Julios, Bobby Witt, and then just a bunch of everything else. Thank you for watching. If you didn't get to see your teams, this will be posted on YouTube and Instagram shortly, so you can go back and watch the randomization, find your team. If you have any questions, let me know. Contact me, and thank you for watching.